Hello everybody, so we are going to download our Facebook friends. Yes, that is me and my granddaughter. So we're going to go to Facebook. It's the same on your phone or on your laptop. We're going to go across here. Let me just get this off. We're going to go across to the top here where your picture is. We're going to click on that and we're going to go to settings and privacy. So from there we're going to go up to settings. Okay, and then it's going to come to this screen. We're going to go to the left here and we're going to go all the way down to the bottom. Okay, then what you'll see is download your information. So we want to download our information. It will ask you then to continue. Okay, and then download or transfer information. Okay, so look at this. You can download your Facebook and your Instagram, which blows my mind. Then click next. It will ask you what information you want to download. So this one will include everything at the top. I don't do this one. I do this one. I use the specific types of information that I want to download. And then for my Facebook, it says saved items, voting, messaging, Facebook portal, profile. I don't need any of that to download. So I go with my friends and my followers. That's what I need. Yeah. And then I'll do next. And then it's your Instagram. So I will find my contacts, followers and following. There we are. So followers and following and contacts, that's what I will download. And then go to next. It will ask me for a date range. So you need to go to all the time because you want to get your full list. So it's all the time. It will send an email once it's all downloaded. And all you've got to do then is click create files. I'm not going to click create files because I've already downloaded all mine, but it is as simple as that to download your Instagram friends and your Facebook friends. So I hope this helped, guys.